What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. And today I just want to briefly talk to you about a cryptocurrency that I am heavily invested in. And it is my favorite cryptocurrency aside from Bitcoin, which I sadly do not own because I always had an interest in this particular coin, very close to Bitcoin. It is called Litecoin. So I'm here on their main website, Litecoin, the cryptocurrency for payments based on blockchain technology. What is Litecoin? Litecoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant, near zero cost payments to anyone in the world. Litecoin is an open source global payment network that is fully decentralized without any central authorities. Mathematics secures the network and empowers individuals to control their own finances. Litecoin features faster transaction confirmation times and improved storage efficiency than the leading math-based currency. We're talking about Bitcoin here. With substantial industry support, trade volume, and liquidity, Litecoin is a proven medium of commerce complementary to Bitcoin. So again, what exactly is Litecoin? Litecoin, very simply put, is an alternate to Bitcoin. It is a store of value because of its scarcity. It is built on a 1-to-4 ratio in terms of supply as Bitcoin. So Bitcoin will only ever have 21 million coins ever created or mined. Litecoin will have 84 million mined. So this is really about the chart. I do want to talk to you about how I feel about where Litecoin is heading, the direction it's going. So we're here looking on a weekly chart. Let's zoom out a bit. We can see Litecoin from early 2016, 2017's bull market run when it kind of woke up. Subsequent bear market, bulls, bearish consolidation going into the start of this bull run here. I do believe the bull run is still intact. I don't think Bitcoin is done for the year. I think Bitcoin will make another high before the year is done. So here I'm going to show you where I'm tracking Litecoin and where I would be looking to buy more Litecoin in the event that it goes to these price points. So we really have two main buy areas, and these are based on a higher time frame perspective. But we have down here a longer term buy target, which is entirely possible depending on what Bitcoin does. We have a buy area beginning at $70 to about $50, but the closest buy area where I added some really beginning around 110 till about $90. So as you can see, again, this is a weekly chart, so each candle is 1 week's worth of price data. So we can see here, rapid sell-off. No one really expected this. This was pretty painful, but we are all here enduring it together. So it's rapid sell-off. Price came down, made a low here, came back up into consolidation. A couple weeks ago, came down and stabbed the buy area, made a new low, has come back up since, and has been consolidating the last couple of weeks. So that's a 200 EMA. Let's quickly go to the daily chart. We see a little more information, more detail. So again, this is the daily chart. Each candle, red or green, is 1 day's worth of price data. So here is that sell-off. You see it a little more in action here. And there's a low created, and price recently came down and broke that low and dipped into the buy area and has come up since then. So, I mean, we could be bottoming out here. It's possible for me to start feeling better that that is what is occurring. I would like to see Litecoin stay above $136. I don't want to see Litecoin underneath $125. I want to see it get up above, let's say, call it 165, 180. I want to see Litecoin get above $200. But just on the near term, so we can kind of track it a little um, sooner than these longer term price targets. I would love to see Litecoin get above, let's call it about $165. If we can get LTC above $165, I'm going to be feeling a little better for the bulls in the near term, in the short term. But until then, it's we just have to wait and see. It's currently sitting above a buy area, a very strong one, I might add, but it's there. We need to see it start making some action to get above at least 165. I would love to see it start making new highs here, get above this 180, maybe this high right here, close to 200. If we can get up there, get above the 200 EMA as well, start finding some support right now. You can see some resistance here at the 200. If you can get above there again, start bottoming out and showing some support, maybe we can look for another price target to target. But here we are again, guys. I just want to see Litecoin in the short term get above, let's say, about 165, 170. It's really about right here, and then we can take it from there. So I'll just quickly go to Bitcoin very quickly so we can see the buy targets there as well. So you have an idea of what might be causing Litecoin to head lower. So we'll go to monthly chart. Nope. Weekly chart. Bitcoin has buy targets around 25,000 and 20,000. So that's what could bring Litecoin down further, depending on what Bitcoin wants to do. And it's tough right now, guys. I really don't know, but I hope you guys found this insightful. Litecoin is an amazing cryptocurrency. I think it has a bright future alongside Bitcoin to those who can remain patient and see its value, notice its scarcity, its network effect, its time-tested, rugged ability. It's one of the most liquid cryptocurrencies out there, one of the most highly transacted cryptocurrencies alongside Bitcoin, and I believe it will have its time of day sometime here in the future. So hope you enjoyed it, guys, and catch you for the next update.